Do you know that your heart rate changes throughout the day? Let me show you how to track it using Samsung Health on your Galaxy S25 Ultra paired with the Galaxy Watch 6. To do so, open Samsung Health app on your phone. Then look for the heart rate card. This card shows you your last recorded heart rate and your average BPM. Tap the card to view details. At the top, you will see a bar graph showing your heart rate history, so you can quickly spot if it's going up or down. Below that, you will find your last recorded heart rate and your average BPM with a color indicator. Then you will also see a breakdown with a color indicator showing your minimum and maximum heart rate per hour, including sleep, average resting range, and resting heart rate. Scroll down to see a log list of your recorded heart rate for easy tracking. And finally, a line chart of your resting heart rate trends with average over time. So if you want to monitor your health more closely, set your watch to measure heart rate continuously and check this card regularly for detailed insight. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.